In this video, you will learn how to request SAP Cloud ALM on SAP for me. To get started, go to the SAP Cloud ALM homepage on SAP Support Portal and choose Request. This takes you directly to the provisioning dashboard on SAP for me. Under Systems to be provisioned, find your entitlement for SAP Cloud ALM. To be able to request SAP Cloud ALM, you need the role Edit Cloud Data on SAP for me, and you need to be assigned to the respective customer number. Please be aware that the user who requests SAP Cloud ALM is entered as the main IT contact and receives all authorizations that are required for the initial setup and further administrative tasks. Only carry out the following steps if you will later also perform the setup. To get started, choose Start Provisioning. In the following dialog, you need to provide some information about your desired tenant. First, select the geographical region in which you would like to have your SAP Cloud ALM tenant provisioned. This region corresponds to the location of the data center where your SAP Cloud ALM tenant will be deployed. In general, we recommend selecting a region close to your main business applications. If you have a valid EU access contract, you can select the EU access data center here. Now, enter a unique subdomain name that contains your company name and ends with -cloud ALM. The subdomain name will be used for the creation of SAP Cloud ALM specific entities on SAP BTP, and will be part of the URL used to access your SAP Cloud ALM tenant. After the provisioning, the subdomain can't be changed, so choose carefully. The next step is to select an SAP Cloud Identity Services Identity Authentication tenant as your identity provider. If you don't have an existing productive identity authentication tenant, a new one will be created for you in or close to the region you've selected above. If you already have a productive identity authentication tenant, select it from the list. If you have more than one and are unsure which one to select, take a look at the in-app help for this section. In general, we recommend selecting an identity authentication tenant that is close to the region of your SAP Cloud ALM tenant, especially if you need to ensure EU access compliance. If you don't want to use any of the listed tenants, you can also go back and request the creation of a new one or the migration of an existing one before restarting the SAP Cloud ALM provisioning process. As the requesting user, you're automatically entered as the default main IT contact and the main contact person IT for the created SAP Cloud ALM tenant. Lastly, if you agree to the terms and conditions stated in the linked order document, check the box. To then start the provisioning, choose Submit. You can track the status of the provisioning at any time under Provisioning Status. When the status is provisioning triggered, SAP automatically prepares an SAP Cloud ALM tenant and creates a global account and a sub-account on SAP BTP for you. As the main IT contact, you will receive administrator authorizations in all of them. Once the provisioning is completed, you will receive a welcome email, which contains a link to your newly created SAP Cloud ALM tenant, along with information about your next steps. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, check out the documentation on SAP Help Portal linked in the description below. AI-generated audio.